Okay, hey guys, if you didn't hear, I'm doing a giveaway in Blox Fruits, and if you can subscribe and like and donate me or gift me a fruit that is worth more than $1 million, a perm fruit that's worth more than $1 million, that's higher than a rare, you can enter the giveaway to get a perm dragon. Just subscribe, comment your username. My username is, I'll make another video about that. I will put my username in the comments and it will be pinned. The one that can give me the food that is the most worth gets the perm dragon. So, peace, you guys.